2025 with friends and family. You don't want to come empty-handed. Well, here to help us bring something to the table is cookbook author Courtney Hill.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Thank you. Glad to be back.
Of course. Happy New Year's Eve to you.
Happy New Year's Eve to you too.
All right, so I'm ready to dig into what you are showcasing. So tell us what you brought.
We are doing some really fun and simple New Year's Eve party hors d'oeuvres and things like that.
Okay.
So what I have here, what you're gonna make is these little wedge salad bites.
Ooh, okay.
And I'm more of a ranch fan than a blue cheese fan.
Okay,
so we're gonna we have iceberg lettuce, we have tomato, and you can put on this little plate so it doesn't get messy.
Okay.
Drizzle a little ranch. We got some cheddar cheese and some bacon bits.
Okay.
And these little plates you can find at any party store. They're just these little paper plates.
And then what do you have it like on here with? Oh, okay.
Yes, a little wooden, I think those are bamboo actually.
Gotcha.
Skewers.
Gotcha. Okay. And then
Again,
we just take some
just
cheese
sprinkle it on.
and some bacon bits.
Yeah, and it's a little salad bite.
Oh,
that
this
was
is
so
super
cute.
cute. Yeah, super cute and super easy. All right.
Next is the chicken and waffle bites.
Ooh, I love this one.
So Eggo makes these little individual, they come in a 4.
Yeah.
And then you toast that and you can break them apart.
Okay.
And these chicken nuggets I got at Costco. They're just like Chick-fil-A.
Yes, they are. I've had these. If you want to fool your children one day. Okay.
And then a little maple syrup and you're good to go on that one.
You know what? I'm going to be the hostess with the mostest.
And it's like people are going to think it's just so cute
It's so
and innovative and
like,
delicious,
oh my
of
gosh.
course. And then over here, I know I've done my pinwheels on here a couple times.
Yeah.
But this time, I'm making individual cups. So I just take a pinwheel, put it through a skewer. And these are just little shot glasses, and I put the salsa in the bottom.
Okay.
And then you just lay them like that.
That's
and
it.
people can grab it. And
So what do you put in your pinwheel?
there's cream cheese, olives, cheddar cheese, green chilies, a little bit of chili powder, and some salt. I mean, it's pretty simple, but it's really delicious.
Okay. And then
we have ball drop cheese balls.
Ball drop cheese balls. Okay.
So this is my kind of basic cheese ball mix, and I just put it into a little ball. I use this little tool here, and it does it kind of messy, so you may want to use gloves. And then you just put it in some. This is cheddar cheese that I've put through a food processor.
Okay.
And you have your little ball. Then you take your pretzel, stick it in the top there, and put a little cracker underneath.
And that's it.
Yeah, you have ball drop cheese balls.
And voila, you have, here, we'll put this on
okay.
a plate over here as well. But voila, you have 4 really easy dishes that you can bring to. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. Well, I need to have a party now so that I can do this. I was telling Courtney that TJ and I, we did try the Christmas tree brownies.
Yes.
We didn't get around to making the brownies and putting the frosting on there though, because my dad took the brownies just plain, like the whole pan. Everybody, the whole pan.
Either way.
Yeah. Well, Courtney, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a part of Great Day KC 2024. Cannot wait to have you 2025.
Oh,
so
thank you.
happy New Year's to
Happy
you.
New Year.
Thank you.